Thank you. We're going to talk about skimming and scanning. Skimming is when you go through a big passage, let's say passage, it has a lot of information, but you don't want to read every single word. So what do? First, you read the first few paragraphs to get a rough understanding of what the passage is going to be about. Then the following paragraphs, you only read the sentences that start each paragraph, which we are calling topic sentences. And then at the end of it all, you read the summary, because the summary will have a detail, will have, a broader view of what was discussed above it. Yes, and then scanning is when you go through the same piece of information, but this time around, your main purpose is to locate specific bits of data like names, places, or locations, and all that. So this one time I used skimming and scanning is when I was preparing for critical thinking and ethical problem solving evaluation, which we had the other Friday. See, I had lots of summaries that I had taken. I had lots of notes I had taken, but I didn't have time to read everything. So what did I do? I just went through the summaries this time around, only looking at the words that I want. If it's biases, I just see what is the bias. I just read only that. Maybe like examples of other biases, and then fallacies. What is a fallacy? And then categories of fallacies. But then there is this one thing which was cross-cutting from fallacies of insufficiency and irrelevance, which was just generalization, and I wanted to clear that out, that contrast. So I used scanning by going to the AI and asking specifically what's the difference. I was specific at what I want with what I wanted. Then I also asked the AI, which is ChatGPT, to give me specifically examples of each fallacy so that I get to understand each one. I didn't have to read all through every other data. I was specific on what I wanted. And yes, that's all about skimming and scanning.